Tonight, the Tennessee Supreme Court heard arguments about one of the worst environmental disasters that was man-made in U.S. history, the 2008 coal ash spill in Kingston. A federal judge sent 4 questions for Supreme Court justices to consider as he oversees a years-long lawsuit filed by cleanup workers against Jacobs Engineering, a TVA contractor.
10 News reporter Vinay Simlot joins us to break down this case and the questions before the court. Vinay.
Robin, there's a law on the books in Tennessee that limits which people can sue for damages if they're exposed to silica. The question today, does the law say silica has to cause the illnesses or deaths, or does any exposure to silica make that law apply? 14 years after the Kingston ash spill,
there's no doubt in our mind that she would be here with us today if she hadn't gone to work.
7 years after her twin sister died, Judy Ivins spoke with us from the Tennessee Supreme Court about her sister Jean.
My sister would have never gone to work down there if she thought she was going to get sick.
Jean died of leukemia in 2015 after working at TVA's Kingston power plant. Her sister blames exposure to the coal ash. Today, both sides disagreed about how broad Tennessee's law governing silica should be.
It's a very specific statute, directed at a very specific type of illness.
I mean, the words of the statute are broad.
The cleanup workers' lawyer says silica isn't the reason his clients got sick. It's other toxic particles in the coal ash.
It's the radioactive particles, arsenic, lead.
He says the law mostly applies to lung issues caused by silica, while the Jacobs Engineering Group's lawyer says the law applies to any case involving silica. The justices were skeptical.
Breakfast cereals contain silica. Motrin contains silica.
For Judy, no ruling will bring back her sister.
We always had our huge Thanksgiving dinner at her house, which we do not anymore.
And the family parties she used to plan.
Again, the high court in the state will decide whether this case can move forward in federal court, Vinay.
Yeah, John, it's if the state high court decides the law on silica applies, we'll see most coal ash cases dismissed in federal court. Now, on the flip side, the justices could send this case back to federal court, trigger 2 more trials to decide whether Jacobs Engineering is responsible for making those workers sick. The federal case is on hold for now in Knoxville until we hear that decision from the state Supreme Court. John and Robin.
We will continue to follow it. Vinay Simlot, a lot more online about the background of this case as well.